In the previous videos, we talked about why kids don't speak English and what gamification is, also the lesson structure and some classroom games. Many teachers still ask, okay, but what does a full lesson actually look like? So today I'm going to show you a simple full English lesson for kids using games, step by step. A simple English lesson for kids usually has 5 parts: warm-up, review or input, core game, variation or challenge, and review and closing. This structure keeps students active, focused, speaking, repeating, learning. So let's look at some simple example lessons. The warm-up. First, we start with a warm-up activity. The goal of the warm-up is simple, just get students moving, get students speaking, review previous vocabulary to increase energy, focus attention. This can be a TPR game, a quick vocabulary game, a listening game, a movement game. Warm-up time is about 5 to 10 minutes. This prepares the students for the English lesson. Step 2. The review or input. So next, we introduce or review the target language. For example, I like dogs, I like cats, I don't like snakes. We show pictures, we drill pronunciation, practice the sentence pattern, ask simple questions, we let students repeat, let students ask and answer in pairs. Don't forget to tell them to make faces related to what they say, like I like a happy face, I don't like a disgusted or frustrated face. This part should be short and active, not a long explanation, so maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. The goal is to prepare students for the main activity. Step 3, the core game. So now we move to the main activity. This is where students speak a lot, listen a lot, repeat many times over, interact with the classmates, and practice the target language. For example, we can use matching games, board games, card games. This part is usually 15 to 20 minutes, and this is where most learning happens. Step 4, variation or challenge. After students understand the game, we can change something to make it more interesting or more difficult, challenging. For example, add more vocabulary, more flashcards, make longer sentences, add questions too, add time pressure, change themes, add writing and spelling, change the rules, add a challenge around, same game, new challenge. This keeps the students interested and allows different levels in one class. Step 5, review and closing. At the end of the lesson, we review what students learned. So this can be a quick review game, maybe ask students questions. If they answer, they can go back home. Maybe a little writing activity, speaking check, final challenge again. Could be rock, scissors, paper too. If they win, they can go back home. So this part is very important because it helps students remember the language and they finish the lesson clearly. Students should leave the classroom thinking like, I spoke English today. I learned something. I did a good job. It was difficult. I could overcome obstacles and things like that. So the lesson timeline would be like this. A simple 40 to 50 minutes lesson might look like this. Warm up, 5 to 10 minutes. Review input, 5 to 10 minutes. Core game, 15 to 20 minutes. Could be 32. A variation, 10 minutes. Challenge. So review, 5 minutes. Very simple structure, but effective. Very effective for English lessons for kids. So a full English lesson for kids does not need to be complicated. Just remember this structure: warm up, review or input, core game, variation, review and closing. If teachers follow this structure, classes usually become more organized, my own experience, more active, more fun, and students speak much more, way more, guys. And that is the goal. Students should not only study English, students should use English in every lesson as much as they can. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And we share new games, lesson ideas, and some technique strategies to help teachers teach English to kids and make it more engaging and effective. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below here or contact us through social media or email. And if you know another teacher who could benefit from this, so please share this video with them. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.